today I have my stock wheels on my M5 and we got some spacers for them. So we're gonna install them. Unfortunately, I did take off the BC Forged wheels because of you know, I'm just dumb. But we're not gonna talk about it. We got them right here. I still have these drifting tires on my stock wheels, so I will have to change them back to the winter tires soon. This fitment's pretty bad, so we're gonna fix it right now. I decided to go with 18mm spacers in the front and then 12 in the back. So we'll see how it looks. I'm just worried about the back because I don't know. I don't want it to rub, but we'll see. I got you guys on a transmission jack so you can have some point of view. So we got our 17mm. I already loosened the lugs on the floor. Got it off. Let's get the spacers opened. 18mm goes here. It should be right about there. So now we're gonna open up the extended lugs. Hold on, I gotta open this. I got them. You guys want to take a look at the difference between a stock one and an extended one for 18mm? Kind of a lot. Anyways, dude, this is where my OCD kicks in. If it's dirty when I put it on, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Okay. Just installed that one. So now we got these and these, garbage. And we got the beautiful IND.
Did you never put those on?
No, I did. I took them off because I didn't want to fly off when I was drifting. So we got this one.
Rolls Royce.
Yep. Now, fucking tighten this shit. That's one finished. We have 3 more to do. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish the other 3. We do have a surprise coming. I wasn't just gonna record for this. We do have a car coming for a rebuild, and you guys are gonna have to stick around to find out what it is. It should be coming today. It was supposed to come yesterday. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. So the shipping company is supposed to bring it today. It's for Nick, my father. He's probably gonna destroy it, but it's okay. I'll look after it for him. I wanna see a difference between an 18 and a 12. So I'm putting these in the back, this one in the front. I'm doing the back one right now, same procedure. It's pretty straightforward. You can't really mess it up. What?
You have the key for the expedition starting the drizzle.
Anyways, as I was interrupted by my father, we're just gonna do the rest now. So that's about it. She's coming down. Are you fucking ready? Oh, I'm nervous. Holy shit. Bro. The rear is literally like fucking tucking. Oh my god. That is perfect. Holy shit. Wow. Look at that. Holy shit. That is legit perfect fitment, I guess. 18s. Legitimate fucking flush. Holy shit. That is beautiful. Wow. Damn, this shit looks sick now. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm happy. I was a little disappointed that I had to put these back on, but now I'm pretty happy. 2018 BMW 750 X-Drive. She just came from Copart. Take a look at her, because she needs some saving. We got some damage underneath. It's leaking oil.
This Home Depot, I'll get some.
Can't really see in there. How you
I
feeling?
just threw a bunch up.
Are you excited for
Hell
your new
yeah.
car? Your new car? So now you can't say that you have the shit and you we only have the nice stuff.
Am I lying?
No?
Okay then.
You do it to yourself.
Because I want my kids to be happy first.
I'm excited because I'm gonna drive it. Okay, as of right now, we're gonna take the bumper off. I'm gonna take the bumper off. Inspect over here what's leaking. Maybe I should grab a light to show you guys. Got some pretty nasty damage in there. See that? Shit's pretty fucked up. Something flew at it. I don't know. It's got some damage. Just so you guys know, she's a clean title. I'm gonna take off these skirts, and then we're gonna get the bumpers off and to get the brackets off. And we're gonna see what's leaking, what's broken. Take all this out. Take this out. And we're gonna continue. We're looking up throughout the car. It's actually not that bad. I would say it's just like a lot of stuff is broken. Copart picked it up with the forklift and they damaged the skirts. So it's gonna be later repainted. This one, they can buff that out. That's nothing. Overall, she's pretty clean. She got 44,000 miles. Clean title. Let me see if I can get the back door open. Got it. Opa. So we got both side curtain airbags blown. We're gonna have to take apart the back of it because these rear seat belts are locked up. It's got Bowers & Wilkins, full leather. This light, I don't know how this works, but it's pretty cool. Plus it has tinted windshield. Pretty sick. Driver's airbag, the knee airbag, but thank God the driver, I mean thank God the dashboard isn't blown. This is where we stand. Just wanted to tear it down a little, see what's going on. If you guys want to see the rest of the build, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, put a thumbs up, put the notification bell on. Look at all this garbage. Man, this is gonna be a fucking unit. Bye.